Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're gonna be talking about skincare. But this isn't your regular skincare brand because this actually targets your intimate areas. So I think it's really unique, especially here in the Philippines, kasi I don't know if we're that open na about talking about our insecurities and, you know, intimate areas. So I hope this will be of help to people, especially people that have problems on their intimate areas. This video is actually in collaboration with Mink PH. They're the one and only brand that I know of that cater to skincare of intimate areas. So this is actually very interesting. Really wanted to collaborate with them just to test out their products also. So na mabigay ko sa inyo ang tamang impormasyon. I mean, this is no bias. Even though I stand and I'm always gonna be telling you guys my 100% honest product review and experience because I tried this out for 1 week and now I'm ready to tell you guys, actually more than 1 week siya. Basta yun. I'm ready to tell you guys yung mga experiences ko and like yung effect niya sa skin ko and sa intimate areas ko. Okay, so without further ado, let's move on talaga to the product. Yung whole line nila, as of now, yung Mink PH, they only have 5 products. Yung 5 products, pinadala nila sa akin. And let's start off with the scrubs. Okay, so the first scrub that I'm going to talk about, actually, dalawa lang yung scrubs nila. And super generous because they also gave me both of it. So the first one is the I Am Beautiful Butt Scrub. Isa pa, gusto ko lang i-shout out yung mga pangalan nila sa products nila. Super witty. I am beautiful, pretty. Meron pa tayo ditong happy nippy, bikini, and bring me to life, which is, you know, medyo catchy siya. So let's talk more in depth about the products, and then after this, I'm going to tell you all my experiences, and I'll also inserted some clips. So, parang malaman natin yung actual, you know, application or yung actual experience ko right after I used it. So, to start off, I want to talk about the I Am Beautiful Scrub because I was really excited about this one. Alam naman natin na marami tayong mga insecurities and problem areas, and I happen to have a problem area in down south.
Hi baby, make them girls so crazy.
It says here that I Am Beautiful Butt Scrub. This fruity scrub will make your booty so cute. It can be thrown, the peach emoji, so as everybody's favorite butt reference. Say goodbye to butt acne with I Am Beautiful. I am correct, this is for your butt acne. Okay, so let's open it up. So, pinagtalunan namin ng sister ko to kasi hindi nga namin alam kung strawberry ba siya or watermelon. This is watermelon sugar high. Kayo na lang yung maging judge kasi pala siya ng color of strawberry and watermelon. But for me, it's watermelon. Kasi alam mo yung fruity scent niya. It's like really fruity fruit scent of a watermelon. Pero this is kind of like a sugary butt scrub. Medyo naubos ko na nga siya. Actually, hindi. Marami siyang laman. This has 300 grams. Eh ako, kapag mag-apply kasi ako ng product sa katawan ko, as in talagang tinododol bigay ko na kasi gusto ko yung full experience. I can't stop smelling it. Ang bango. So, yung application ko nito, ang recommended use nito is 3 times a week. But, I don't know with me, sometimes natamad ako and wala akong magawa sa bahay. So, I use it kind of every other day. I'm not sure if that's bad, pero kailangan ko talaga siya. Not that I have a lot of butt acne. I just wanna say that I have problem areas. Not necessarily acne, but madalas kasi nagbubunga tayo ng mga kinds of bumps and textures sa balat natin, and we just want to get rid of it because every time that I touch it, I feel uncomfortable and I just don't prefer it. I'm really happy and excited to use this one. Oh, by the way, the ingredients of this one is glycerin, Dead Sea salt, marine collagen, it has collagen which is nice, Himalayan salt, glycolic acid, tea tree oil. So this one is the second mask. This is the Petites one. So it's a boob mask. Rock your rack with Petites. Our ultra powerful mask that gets rid of bumps, debris, leaving you with skin as soft as jello and just as fun to touch. Kung meron silang pang butt acne, meron din silang pang boob acne, which is super convenient because I know of some people that have acne sa dibdib nila. This would be helpful. So if you guys have like boob acne, try this one. You can go to their website. I'll link it down below. So when we open this, this. Ganyan na siya. So, yan yung magiging kalagayan niya after using it. Like, every other day for a little more than a week. Medyo ano siya, hindi ko alam blue or green. Para siyang ganitong color. Pero yung consistency niya is thick naman. It's not runny. That's why I can do this without it falling. Is thick. With a C. Feeling ko parang medyo para siyang Colgate. Parang mukha siyang Colgate. Parang medyo minty siya and ganun din yung color. But it's a mask. I swear, lahat ng products nila mabangong amoy. Kahit na minty siya, it's not talagang sinampal ka ng mint. It's like minty, subtle minty, sexy minty, with a little bit of cute minty. Okay, so the ingredients of this one is bentonite, kaolin, zinc oxide, collagen. Again, collagen is a really nice ingredient. Glycerine, mineral oil, tea tree oil. So this one, I'm really excited to tell you guys. I got really good results from trying these serums. Let's first dive into Happy Nippy. Ang cute talaga namang pangalan nila. Ayun. In a span of a little bit more than a week, ito na ang naubos ko sa kanya. Wala pa namang kalahati. Pero, as I said, kapag nag-a-apply ako ng products to myself or to my body, talagang nilulubos ko dahil I want the full experience. But you don't necessarily have to do that because sometimes super sayang lang siya for the product and you don't really have to apply much. Ito ay supposedly magpapaputi or magpapapink ng nipples mo. Like, hindi pa ako nakakakita sa buong life ko ng isang product na magpapa-pink ng nipples. Na-shock talaga ako. Nagulat ako. Sis, if you guys want, you can order from Mink PH. I think the serums are only about $2.50. Not sure, but if you use my code, you get % off. Moving on. This is the bikini. Never apologize for showing off your cheeky side. Here to push you further is this powerful serum designed to even cut any discoloration you've got down south. So I really like this. And you heard about this because yun nga, may problem ako down south and I just want to make it prettier because I want that perfect peach. So this one is called their bikini. It's supposed to be applied sa inner thighs mo or sa butt cheeks mo. Again, after using it for a little bit more than a week, ito na siya. Medyo mauubos ko na siya, so I can't wait to order more. Ang bango-bango din ito. Like, honestly, para siyang flower na hindi ko ma-distinguish what kind of flower it is. Medyo paubos na ako dahil I really like using this stuff. Use it for my entire butt cheek. Last but not the least, we have Bring Me to Life. This is their elbow and knee serum. Ito na siya after using it for a little bit more than a week. Half na siya. Half na siya, pero I apply it to my SIKO and also my knees. This is supposed to lighten your SIKO and your knees. Okay, so welcome back everyone. I'm gonna be trying out Mink PH today. I just put this on and wala namang something like special for the first time putting it on because of course it's the first time. So alam mo yun, yung mga areas dyan na medyo nangingitim-ngitim. Right off the bat, this smells like, it's really hard to say what it smells like, but it smells like rose or some kind of flower. Well, I'm gonna try this, and you can totally see this na. So I'm gonna try Bring Me to Life. I'm going to just apply it. Kasi problema ko rin to, ever since I was in elementary, gustong-gusto ko talagang gumanon sa desk namin. So like, high school ako hanggang today, I still have like very dark elbows. So I'm just gonna do it on the other side. I feel like this is not doing me justice kasi yung ring light ko is totally nakatapat. So that's why it looks really bright. But when it's like natural lighting, maitim siya versus the rest of my body. Let's put this here naman. I'm putting a generous amount since this is a large area of my body and I'm not going to spread it na because I am afraid na parang matutuyo siya agad. I like to leave it like as is. Bahala na matuyo. And then this one is my favorite. This is the bikini one. It's supposed to lighten up your inner thigh singit. So I'm just going to apply this here sa aking singit. I'm done applying it to my inner thighs. I'm going to next apply it to my bum area. So tomorrow, before ako maligo, I will use these two. And then after that, I'll use this again. So probably after this, I will be using it twice a day na. Medyo nagmadali ako and wala pa akong ayos ngayon kasi mamadali kami. Yari. Meron kasi kaming grocery errand for today, so we're gonna go to Landers. But before that, of course, nag-shower ako and all. I used these two. So, okay, thoughts about these two. Ang ginawa ko lang is I put it like here sa my chest area and also sa boob part, of course. I'm not so sure of the effect of this because I don't have boob acne. For sa akin lang, since wala akong boob acne, result sa akin is naging smooth nga siya. Pinatagal ko siya for like 10 minutes kasi nga nagmamadali na ako. And then when I washed it off, it's super smooth and minty. As for the Beautiful, so natutuwa talaga ako kasi madami silang maglagay. I've used a lot of this na din. This is Watermelon Sugar High. I scrubbed this in my booty area. So, binilog-bilog ko lang siya and I extended it to my legs as well. When I washed it off, super kinis ng balat ko. No kidding. Sometimes it has like bumps in our booty area. So, hindi ko yun medyo na-feel like right after I washed it. Super kinis talaga niya. Yung tatlong serum, I also used it. Dapat is you use it without lotion. That's what I do. Just so I know na it goes directly to my skin na kaagad. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Moving on to the results. And of course, I can't actually show you guys the results, but my favorite product, yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, kasi talaga nakita ko yung difference in a small span of time, itong Happy Nippy. As in, naggulat ako like, what? I'm telling you, get this if you want your nipples to smile. It worked for me. I think it was like less than a week pa nga, and then I already saw results. And not just any type of results. 2 shades lighter, 2 to 3 shades lighter na siya agad in a span of a week or less than a week. And then ganito pa lang yung nauubos ko sa kanya. Malaki yung matitipid nyo dito, especially that it's roll-on and talaga makokontrol mo ang paglagay ng product sa skin mo. Really, really recommend. I stand this product. I might probably get more after I finish it. But my second favorite, if I'm going to rank this, my second favorite would be the butt scrub. I actually like this too because natatanggal niya yung mga bumps, and then after you wash it, talagang makikita mo ang kinis niya, ang sarap. I also like the Bring Me to Life kasi hindi lang siya nag-lighten but it also softened my skin. So talagang naging soft siya. This is my SIKO. Pero sana iniba nito ang game. Umaasa ako na if I further use this, sana mag-lighten siya. But yun nga, I also like this because it also softened my elbows. And then for the bikini one, I haven't seen much of a result from this yet, but I'm excited to. I'm gonna give it another try. I hope na I see further results. I don't know, kasi tinaas itong standards eh. Kasi ito parang less than a week, parang day 4 pa lang nakakita na ako ng real awesome results. So this one, I was like really expecting high standards kasi I was really waiting for this one. But anyway, that's just for me because it might not be as accurate yung results ko sa results mo because we differ. Our bodies are different. And then last but not the least, this one, I can't really tell because I don't have acne in this area. But after washing it, it felt a little bit cool. And then of course, medyo naging smooth din siya because it is a mask. Alright, there! And I hope you enjoyed this one. Before you end this video, I'm going to have a giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving away this set, this whole set. Yes, I'm gonna be giving away this whole set, all 5 of this, to a lucky winner. So the mechanics is listed in the description box below. And I really hope na you guys like this kung sino man ang maging winner. And the ending will be 1 week from now, from when this video is gonna be uploaded. Also, I'm also going to have another giveaway in my next upload, which is gonna be in collaboration with Lana PH. So stay tuned if you guys don't win this one. There is another giveaway, which is yung Lana PH, and that's gonna be skincare naman. Mink actually has their own Facebook group where they share crazy discounts and also like stories of inspiring women. Kung ano man ang mga balak mong i-recommend pa sa brand, you can always join the group. I'll also link the group below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, DM me on Instagram or whatever. I respond to every single one of my DMs. So that's all. Thank you guys. Goodbye.